Okay, so this is my Star Trek Bird of Prey, Klingon Bird of Prey model. I've had it for about 2 years. I built it and then left it for a year before I painted it. I still haven't completely finished it. But I think it looks pretty good. I couldn't get the exact right paints from my local shop for it, so here's the bottom. On the bottom of the wings, the red paint seemed to mess up. I don't know exactly how or what happened, but I was going to give it a second coat, but I decided it looks better, more aged, because they're normally quite old, these kinds, I think. I don't know if you can see it right, but I also painted a little bit of red on the wings and then wiped it off right away, and it left a little bit of a rusty look. It was the first model I made. And here's the box for it. I can't remember what scale it is. That's what it's supposed to look like.